Hello kids, I hope you are fit and fine. Today we will learn the alphabet Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. How cool is the zebra? Z for zip. Z for zoo. Z for zero. Now there are more words to say with Z. Z for zone. Z for zircon. Z for zeal. Z for zoom. And Z for zinc. So kids, let's learn how to make a capital Z. We need to take a line like this, a line like this, a line like this. That makes the capital Z. And how to make a small z? It's almost the same. Take a line like this, a line like this, a line like this. That makes the small z. So kids, I hope that you have understood what we have done in the class today, and you will practice it more and more to become perfect in this.